Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to making easy fudge. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe down below to be a part of my channel. So let's get started. So the things that you're gonna need are milk chocolate chips. You can do dark, but I like milk. You're gonna need mini marshmallows. You are going to need a glass bowl to mix because a metal bowl is not very good to go into the microwave. You're gonna need a microwave. You're going to need 1 cup. You're going to need 1 tablespoon. You are going to need 1 teaspoon. You are gonna need some butter, salt, spoons to mix with, spatulas, vanilla extract, sweet condensed milk. And then you're going to need a small pan. Like you can see my pan right here, it's pretty small. And then there's some parchment paper on top. So let's go making. So the first ingredient that you're gonna need is milk chocolate, 3 cups. So I'm just gonna pour 3 cups and I'll see you. Then you're going to need 2 cups of marshmallow. Oh, okay. 2 cups of marshmallows. Next, you are going to need 1 whole can, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Ooh, that's thick. So I feel like that this fudge would be good for like an Easter party. That Easter's coming up. It would be good for like a lazy Sunday that you just want a dessert, or a lazy Saturday. So you're gonna have to, it could be a party, a birthday party, so it could be anything. So I'm going to be trying to get all the condensed milk out. And then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter. I cut mine in chunks and mine is salted butter. And then you are going to need a pinch of salt. So I have my salt shaker. I'm just going to shake some salt and just grab a little pinch and spread it and put the rest in my sink. So you're gonna have to microwave this at 45-second intervals. I just took this out of the microwave and I'm gonna mix. And you can put whatever toppings you want on it after you make it. So I'm just gonna mix. Make sure you get every little bit of chocolate, every little bit of marshmallow, condensed milk. So yeah, this smells really good. Mix. And it looks like to me that I'm going to need another 45 seconds in the microwave. So I'm going to put this in the microwave and I'll see you when I take it out. I just took it out of the microwave after another 45 seconds. Now everything's coming very well. So mix. A workout. Should have gotten a bit bigger spatula, but that's okay. You're gonna have to mix until everything is combined. And I am using a folding motion, like just to fold everything together, and a mixing motion that everyone knows. So there's still some chunks left. It's getting really thick. So after after I mix everything, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm just gonna open it, get 1 teaspoon. It's just for a pop of flavor. Just going to spread that on, and I'm going to mix it. So after I mixed all that up, I'm going to put it in my pan. So I'm just going to put it in. Make sure you have help because this is not working. And you have to spread it out evenly. Spread it. So I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, I put the fudge into the container and I put the toppings, but my camera wasn't recording. So what I was saying, that you can put any topping. I chose marshmallows. You can put chocolate chips. You can put cereal. You can put sprinkles. You can put pretzels. You can put salt. You can literally do anything because this is your fudge. You can make it as a theme, as a birthday party, Christmas, Easter. You can add peeps or like shredded coconut with peeps because it's Easter, but I personally love marshmallows. And then after you're done with this step, you're going to have to refrigerate it to 1 to 2 hours. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour and a half. So 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator right now, and I'll come back when it's all done. So after an hour and like about 45 minutes, I have to put it in longer because it was still like slimy. So I'm going to cut it. And one tip is if you can't, yeah, it's stuck to the parchment paper. If it's still not getting like hard as fudge, you can put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes. That's what I did because it would not get hard. So yeah, there you have it. Fudge. Now let's taste test it. That's really good. Well, there you have it. That's how you make easy fudge. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.